Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about BTC. Once again, we're going to take a look at BTC on the 2-day basis, and we're also going to take a look at BTC on the 3-day basis and try to basically decipher which way we're going to go over the next like a few weeks and so on. Are we going to be dropping lower right here to retest the trend line, or are we going to be breaking the mid-range right here and retest the upper level of this trend line right there before going to the moon and all that good stuff, right? So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join our public Telegram group, link in the description and all that good stuff, right? So now let's dive into the analysis. We're going to start off with the 2-day time frame, and we're going to take a look at the bearish momentum first, right? Even though everything looks pretty juicy, I'm extremely bullish on BTC on the macro scale, but one thing we just have to pay attention to, it is going to be our 2-day MACD. So the reason why I'm trying to focus on the 2-day MACD is like as long as we're not, it is very important to understand, like, as long as the MACD is trading negatively to the downside, right, we're not going to get a very explosive move, right? So something to keep in mind, and I'm going to show you why, right? So you take a look at it, you take a look at the MACD right here. We totally negative, okay? It is not showing any sign of a strong momentum, even though price action is looking pretty juicy. We're gonna need price action to work too hard, okay? It means like price action has to break above 60k and so on for the MACD to try to follow, in order for the MACD to try to follow the price action. So right here, you take a look at it after we flip bullish, right? One of the reasons why it is so important to get a positive MACD is like whenever we flip bullish, right, we can pump at least for like 2 weeks or so at least, okay? We can get a nice pump like straight up to the upside and create a new all-time high above like a 65k and so on. You take a look at the move we got back in December 16 right here, and I said it, if MACD flip bullish, right, we're going to be going to the moon right there, okay? As soon as we flip bullish right there, right here, okay, as soon as we flip bullish, created a new all-time high based on closing basis, just about like 20k and so on. You can see like we pump all the way up to basically right there, just about like a 42k and so on. So basically December 14th, right, all the way up to like January 7th, over 3 weeks, okay? Prior to that, you can see like back in October 9th, right, after we flip above the 21 EMA, MACD crossed bullish right there. Not sure if you guys can see it. As soon as the MACD turned positive right there, price action above the 21 EMA, we pump all the way up to basically nearly 20k. Okay, we started like nearly just about like October 9th through basically November 24th, right? Over 6 weeks, guys, we pumped to the upside. So that's the type of move we're going to be expecting. Once we get our MACD to flip bullish right here, we could be pumping for another 3 weeks at least, okay? Just like the type of move we got back in here after we basically flip bullish right there, just about like a February 8th, right? We basically at least pump like 2 weeks, right? Something to keep in mind, the 2-day MACD is going to be very, very important going forward, right? So now let's take a look at the 3-day basis, right? The 3-day basis, it is quite similar to the 2-day time frame, and it gives a stronger support on regarding our 21 EMA right here. Price action just got a nasty sell-off, right, from just about like a 59 all the way down to like 54.5. So those long positions just getting liquidated, right? So let's see if price action gonna be able to stay above the 21 EMA. We got like nearly 72 hours to close the candle, so if like we can close above it, that's going to be nice, right? One thing also to keep in mind, guys, I'm bullish on BTC, but I'm still okay for BTC to drop all the way down to like a 49 to 50k. 49 to 50k is going to be a good level to watch like over the next like a few days and so on. It's not going to be like macro bearish, but it is just going to be short term, like a accumulation range, just like what we said when BTC was dropping right here. What we said was like anything below 49 going to be a steal. And guys, we said exactly, we said anything below 49k going to be a steal. Try to get a nice average, just about like a 49 to 50K, and you would be still up 15% on your BTC on this sell-off. If we get the same exact move again, once again, 49, okay, to 50K, going to be the range you want to be watching. Okay, can we dip below 54, 53? Yes, but I wouldn't be buying right there. Okay, I wouldn't be buying right there, because if we bought right here, we don't need to buy it higher unless it retests the range right there, just about like a 50K, to try to get another good average, just about like a 50K, because we can still drop right here and bounce right back up, but we're not sure yet. Okay, we're not sure if the 52, 51 range going to support the price. So I would just wait till we get confirmation, just about like a 52, if that's the case, before adding to the position and basically try to take it to the upside. The next level of resistance we're going to be watching going to be right here. Okay, the resistance line right there, we got one at just about like 58, another one just about 61, another one just about 65. We're going to be looking for one just about like a 69 to 71 right there. Could consolidate before the next move to the upside, right? But the main thing, okay, the takeaway is like the 2-day MACD, guys. Sucker basically has to flip bullish for us to get a nice rally all the way up to some crazy prices. Okay, as soon as we flip bullish, guys, we're gonna be going crazy. Okay, we're gonna go to the moon like crazy. Okay, so something to keep in mind, and alt gonna enjoy that move. Most of these alt cannot break out because BTC is still moving sideways. Okay, the only reason BTC dominance is dropping is like because Ether is pumping. Okay, that's the only reason BTC dominance is basically going down. Something to basically keep in mind going forward, right? All right, guys, make sure to hit the likes if you enjoy the content. Join our public Telegram group, link in the description. The Discord link is also in the description if you want to basically join our Discord public group and all that.